Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn classical gas. Alright, so this intro is, there's no timing, it is free flowy, so don't worry about that. It's going to be in A minor. These two fingers are going to be on the G string and the B string pretty much the whole time. Pointer finger is on the G, middle finger is on the B. Alright, so it starts off with the middle finger and the thumb harmonizing, and then you got your pointer finger, middle finger, and then you're going to have your ring finger go to the top string, 3rd fret, which is a G note, and then you're going to have these two fingers. And then you're going to walk that down to the 2nd fret and then open. And then again. And then you're going to go to the G string, probably ring finger, which is the 2nd fret right there. And then open. And then you're going to hit the top 3 notes of an A minor chord. Alright, and so the second time it loops around, it starts off with the root note, and then the pointer finger, and the B string, but this time you're doing a hammer-on for the B, so it sounds like this. And then you do that hammer-on thing actually again, I believe, and you just hit the bottom, the G and the B string. And then it goes to the walk down as usual. And then when you get to here, instead of hitting the open A string, you actually hit the G string again and hammer it back on. And you hit the B string after that. And then you hit your A notes. Now you have the climb, which is pretty cool. So it is the same kind of walk down as before, except you're walking up. So you got the G, and then this time you're going up, so you're going to go to an A minor. Again, these two fingers are constantly hitting the G string and the B string. I couldn't tell if it was supposed to be a B minor. Doesn't sound right to me, so I went with this G chord. So it's pointer finger right there, 2nd fret of the A string, which is a B note, and then your pinky or your ring finger, whatever's more comfortable, on the 3rd fret of the B string, right? And then you get to a C chord, and make sure you hit the bottom string for this. So that whole climb sounds like this. And then you have this G, and then your pinky goes 3rd fret of the B string, so. And then you have this A chord, pretty much. He doesn't hit that root note, but I like it, so throw it in there. And then your pinky goes back to that same fret, which is the 3rd fret of the B string. And then you have this E chord at the end, and it goes, it's not really a chord, but it's supposed to be an E major chord. So I would rather go like this. Hit the open E, and then hit this octave of an E. And then I like to maybe slide it up. That would be pretty cool.